Welcome everyone. Now in BCom Semester 5 Unit 2 Association of Attributes, we completed two methods till previous lecture. Right now we are going to start one important method that is called Yule's method. Yule's coefficient of association is denoted by Q, and formula of Q is AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B. AB same as numerator but with opposite sign. Okay, so how to remember this formula? We have two methods. Okay, first one is this is our table. This is our table. Here is A, alpha, B, and beta. This cell represent AB. This cell A beta. Here alpha B, then by alpha beta. Okay. By cross multiplication, we can find our formula. See, AB. Here is AB. Alpha beta. Here is alpha beta minus where it is A beta into alpha B. Okay, this is quite easy method to remember formula. Otherwise, you can write formula in the way Q equal to A AB अथवा तो आ रीते करो A then by alpha minus A alpha. Okay, it is compulsory. Now put here B beta and here beta and B. Okay, denominator same as numerator but with opposite sign. Okay. So we are going to start one most important method as for exam point of view is Yule's coefficient of association. Value of Yule's coefficient of association is always lies between -1 and +1. Okay, -1 and +1. See, here is our question. Find Yule's coefficient of association from the following data. Okay, first of all, prepare our table. A, alpha, B, beta, and total. Okay. Here also we have to put total. Okay, now prepare our table. First, B is given by 600, putting 600 here. Then by alpha. Alpha, total of alpha is given by 700, putting 700 here. Beta is 600, putting 600 here, total of beta. And alpha B is 200, putting 200 here. Okay, now fill up the remaining cells. 6 plus 6, 1200. Okay, 500 plus 700 equal to 1200. Here we have 600 total, so put down 400 here. For total 500, putting 100 here, and for total 600, putting 500 here. And 5 plus 1 equal to 600. Our table is ready. Okay, now calculate Q. Q means coefficient of association. Q is equals to, चलो कई रीते लखवानी फॉर्मूला AB multiplied by alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by same as numerator with opposite sign AB into alpha beta plus A beta, sorry, not alpha beta, A beta into alpha B. Okay, now putting the values by taking cross multiplication. It is equals to 400 into 500. Okay, minus 100 into 200. 100 into 200 divided by same amount 400 into 500 plus 100 into 200. Okay, now calculate this one and find out Q. 4 into 520, then by 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 minus 2 ones are 2, 1 2 3 4 zeros upon 1 2 3 4 5, 2 lakhs minus 20,000, sorry, plus 20,000. Okay, so 2 lakh minus 20,000, we will get 1 lakh 98,000 upon 2 lakh 20,000. Okay, 0 0 0 cancel. So our answer is 198 divided by 220, 0.9. Q is equals to 0.9. Okay, so it is very easy to calculate if direct data is given. If word problem is given, then we have to think about coefficient of association. ચાલો તો હવે આપણે આગળ વર્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમ જ લઈએ કારણ કે આ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન તો વર્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમમાં પણ આવવાની જ છે. ઓકે, second question of Q. From a sample of 100 persons, the information regarding smoking habit and habit of drinking of tea is collected and classified as follows: smokers, not smokers, persons drinking tea, and persons not drinking tea. Find the coefficient of association between habit of drinking tea and smoking. Okay, already table બનાવેલું છે એટલે અહીં આપણે કોઈ જરૂર નથી. Say it is equals to A. This is alpha. Similarly, smoker equal to B, and this is beta. So, yes, beta. बराबर છે. चलो तो टेबल प्रिपेयर करिए. टी ड्रिंकर्स, first write down A. टी ड्रिंकर अथवा तो persons જે આપ્યું એ લખી નાખો. persons drinking tea. Alpha equal to persons not drinking tea. Okay, or otherwise આવું પણ ન કરવું હોય તો સીધું આપણે અહીંયા લખ્યું છે એ રીતે A, alpha, B, beta and total. Okay, now prepare our table. First of all, 40 બધું આપેલું છે એટલે કોઈ જરૂરત નથી. 40, 9, 24, 35, 16. Find out total. Okay, 49 here is 49, 35 plus 16 is 51, 51 plus 49 it is 100, 40 plus 35 75, and here is 25. Okay, so simple sum જ છે. આપણ find Q. Q is equals to AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha B equals to, चलो फॉर्म्यूला लखी પછી આપણે આ મેથડ ફોલો કરવાની, ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન. 40 into 16 minus 35 into 9. Okay, divided by same amount with opposite sign. 40 into 16 plus 35 into 9. 640. 16 into 40, 640 minus 35 into 9, 315, 315 divided by 640 plus 315. Okay, so 640 minus 640 will be 325. Here 6 plus 3 9, and 40 plus 15 is 55, 955. Okay, so 325 divided by 955, it gives us 0.34. Q is equals to 0.34. Okay, next word problem is sum number 3. Calculate Yule's coefficient of association between literacy and unemployment from the following data. Literates and unemployed 20, literates and employed 20, illiterates and employed 180, and total person 500. See, question is asking about literacy and employment. Okay, તો આપણે literacy equal to A, alpha equal to illiterate, B equal to employed, and beta equal to unemployed. Okay, for the solution, first we have to prepare table. Our table is ready for calculation. First of all, write down A, alpha, B, beta, and total. Here also put down total. Okay, now see highlighted part. A equal to literate. Literate persons or literate, and alpha equal to illiterate. Okay, B equal to employed, and beta equal to unemployed. Okay, now substitute the values. Total 500 પછી illiterates and unemployed. So it is illiterate and unemployed means here. Okay, here we have to put 220, 220. Then by literates means A and employed means 20. So AB is equals to 20. Putting 20 here. Okay, sorry. Now illiterate and employed. Illiterate, this is illiterate, and employed is 180. Putting 180 here, and total number of persons are given by 500. Total n is equals to 500. Okay. Now complete the table. 20 plus 180 becomes 200. 500 છે અહીંયા એટલે અહીંયા કેટલા મૂકશું 300. Here put down 80. 80 plus 20 is equals to 100. Okay, 100 minus 500 minus 100 equal to 400, and 180 plus 220 equals to 400. So our table is properly ready. Now find Q. Q is equals to, write down formula, AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha. Okay, ચાલો આપણે ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન જ કરીએ છીએ તો શું આવશે 20 into 220, 20 multiplied by 220. આનાથી શું થાય, કદાચ તમે ફોર્મ્યુલામાં ભૂલ કરી હોય કે એ આલ્ફામાં તો એ ભૂલ દેખાય નહીં, આમાં આપણી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન સાચી જ રહે. પછી આ રીતે minus 80 into 180. Okay, divided by 20 multiplied by 220 plus 80 multiplied by 180. Okay, now calculation. 22 into 2 44, 0 0, 180, 180 into 80, 14,400. 14,400 બરાબર છે ને? યસ બરાબર છે. 4400 plus 14,400. Okay, so 14,400 minus 4,400 becomes minus 10,000 divided by 14 plus 4 18, 18,800. Okay, 0 0 cancel out. 100 divided by 188, it is minus 0.53. Minus 0.53 is correct answer. Q equal to. Okay, now another word problem we are taking. One word problem. Or some next sum is, following information is obtained from a sample survey. Okay, see, two informations are given for separate information for boys and girls. Number of candidates appeared in examination 800 boys, 200 girls. Married candidates, married and successful, unmarried and successful candidates. Find coefficient of association between married candidates and their success in examination. Means this is A and this is B. Okay, આના ઉપરથી જ આપણે આગળના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપણે એક છે ને એક ભૂલ થઈ છે આઈ થિંક ક્વેશ્ચન અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ માટે હતો ને એને આપણે કરેક્ટ કરી નાખીએ શું કરેક્ટ કરશું લિટરસી એન્ડ એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ બરાબર એકચ્યુઅલી બી ઇક્વલ ટુ અનએમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ લેવું જોઈએ બટ એ કરેક્શન કરી નાખો બાકી બધું ઓકે છે ઓકે તો A is equals to married candidate B is equals to success this is A this is B આના ઉપરથી જ આપણે આખો સમ સોલ્વ કરવાનો છે okay so alpha equal to unmarried candidates and beta equal to unsuccessful candidates okay in the examination for boys and girls okay in short two sums you have to calculate two different sums here for boys and for girls so our first calculation is for boys okay first we are calculating coefficient of association for boys then by we have to calculate Q for girls. બે ટેબલ એક સાથે જ પ્રિપેર કરી દઈશું અહીંયા જ આપણે બનાવી નાખીએ for girls ટેબલની અંદર જ ઉપર હેડિંગ આપી દઈશું for girls and for boys okay okay now we preparing two tables okay first table is for boys write down here A alpha sorry not here A alpha and total B beta sorry A alpha B beta okay now first suppose A equal to what married candidates okay for boys married and alpha equal to unmarried similarly B equal to success means we are taking pass and fail pass and beta equal to fail okay now preparing our table first see number of candidates appeared in examination we have to focus only on boys ઉપર જ focus કરો total number of boys is equals to 800 okay married candidates are 150 means total of A is 150 married and successful means what pass married and pass boys is 70 and unmarried and successful is 550 unmarried and successful 550 okay now complete this table 800 wait okay 800 minus 800 minus 150 equal to 650 is equals to 650 okay 550 650 minus 550 equal to 100 okay here we have to put 80 here 180 and 620 okay now table is ready for calculation now for girls okay again A alpha B beta and total here also we have to put total okay now see same table we have to prepare same table A equal to married alpha equal to unmarried B is equals to pass or success and beta is equals to fail okay now putting the values first number of now focus on girls data of girls okay this is data of girls number of candidates appeared in examination 200 put down 200 here married candidates are 50 married A total of A is 50 married and successful candidates 20 the married and pass is 20 unmarried and successful candidate 140 means here we have to put 140 unmarried and pass. Okay, ચલો હવે ટોટલ કરીએ તો અહીંયા આવશે 150 here total 10 30 plus 20 equal to 50 30 plus 10 is equals to 40 and here 160. Okay, we're preparing table for girls and boys. Now find out coefficient of association for boys and girls respectively. તો આપણે અહીંયા QB લખશું. QB means coefficient of association for boys. Okay, formula same રહેશે AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha B, and it is equals to AB equal to 70 into 100 70 into 100 minus 80 into 550 80 into 550 divided by 70 into 100 plus 80 into 550. Okay, now calculation. Numerator 7000 minus 80 multiplied by 550 44,000 divided by 7,000 plus 44,000. Okay, so 44,000 minus 7,000 is minus 37,000 upon 44,000 plus 7,000 is 51,000. Okay, 0 0 0 cancel, so 37 by 51 is equals to 0.73 minus 0.73 is answer of QB, coefficient of association for boys. Okay, now calculate coefficient of association for girls. It is QG equals to AB into alpha beta minus A beta into alpha B divided by AB into alpha beta plus A beta into alpha. Okay, now putting the values 20 into 10 20 into 10. આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલા જોવાની જ ને આ જ રીતે જોવાનું ક્રોસ પ્રોડક્ટ minus 30 into 140 divided by same amount 20 multiplied by 10 plus 30 into 140. Okay, it is equals to 200 minus 4200 divided by 200 plus 4200. It is equals to 4000 minus 4000 on numerator divided by total is 4400. 0 0 cancel out, so 40 upon 40 divided by 44, it gives us 0.91 minus 0.91 is our answer for girls. So I hope કે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે what is how to calculate Yule's coefficient of association. હજી આના ઉપર આપણે એક વિડિયો બનાવશું જેમાં થોડા ડિફિકલ્ટ લેવલના સમ્સ, એક્સ્ટ્રા ઓર્ડિનરી સમ્સ